Good morning, dear students. Now, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll discuss about the accounting treatment of profit and loss account. So, in our earlier classes, we had already discussed the format of profit and loss account, as well as meaning and its features being discussed. So, I hope you will have understood the concept of profit and loss account, its features, and what are the various items that will be recorded under profit and loss account. So, let's proceed towards the accounting treatment of profit and loss account. So let's start. From the following information of a trader prepare his profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020. So here the information of trader being given. On the basis of this information, you'll have to prepare profit and loss account. And the items given, that is in your debit side, sorry, particulars, gross profit. So gross profit, as we know, we can find out with the help of trading account, and after getting the gross profit or gross losses, we'll transfer this in your statement of profit and loss account. So like that particular gross profit which we have find out with the help of trading account, that is 2,62,500 given in your question. Discount received is what? A type of income. Commission received is also type of income. Fire insurance paid, this is what your expenses. Interest paid, it is also what your expenses. Rent paid, this is also what your expenses. Printing and stationery, it is also what your expenses. Postage and courier, it is also what your expenses. Bad debt is also what your expenses. Depreciation on machines, it's also an expenses for an organization, so it will also be recorded in your debit side of profit and loss account. Children, as I've told you in our earlier classes when I was discussing about the format of profit and loss account, there only I've told you that profit and loss account is a statement where which we record only income and expenses. Expenses will be recorded in your debit side of profit and loss account, and income will be recorded in your credit side of profit and loss account. But remember one thing, that all direct expenses and income will be recorded in your trading account, and other than direct expenses, that means office expenses, administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses, these types of indirect expenses only will be recorded in your profit and loss account. So here all the expenses and income will be recorded in your profit and loss account rather than direct expenses. And other than the income and expenses, assets and liabilities will not be recorded in your profit and loss account. So here depreciation of machine is type of expenses, that's why it is being recorded in your profit and loss account in your debit side. Now here the carriage inward is also what your expenses, it will be also recorded in debit side of trading and profit and loss account. And traveling expenses is also what your expenses. Bank charges is what your expenses. Loss by fire, it is your expenses. Loss on sale of furniture, this is what a loss on sale of furniture, that means after selling furniture you get a loss of rupees 4,000. So this is also what your loss, and it will be recorded in your debit side of profit and loss account. Dividend received on shares, this is what your indirect income, and it is also being recorded in your credit side of profit and loss account. Here the wages and salaries is what are your expenses. Discount allowed also your expenses. Interest received is what your income. Commission paid on sales main, it is what your expenses. Freight outward, it's what your expenses. Rent received income. Entertainment expenses is what your expenses. Sales promotion expenses also what your expenses. Miscellaneous income is your income. Repairs and maintenance is also what your expenses. Telephone expenses is your expenses. Gain on sale of machine, it is what your income after selling the machine. And income on the income from investment, it is what your income. So after getting this all information about what are the various expenses and what are the various income, let's proceed towards the solution of trading profit and loss account. So here profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020, this is what your solution. And here in this solution you just see whatever the items that I have discussed right now, that is expressed here. So in particular, this is what your debit side, this is what your credit side. In format of profit and loss account, in our earlier classes I have already discussed that in debit side all the expenses will be recorded. Only expenses will be recorded in your debit side, and in your credit side only incomes will be recorded. But both the expenses and income concerned with your indirect expenses and incomes. So I hope it is clear to you all. And now let's proceed towards the solution. So here, two salaries and wages, that is 20,800 being recorded as an expenses. Discount allowed also being recorded as an expenses. Commission paid to salesmen, as I have already discussed right now, that is what your expenses, and it will be recorded in your debit side of profit and loss account. Fire insurance, this is also what your expenses. For insurance, for insured, uh, the company taken a fire insurance. if there will be a fire और कहीं आग लग जाती है तो उससे हमें इंश्योरेंस से पैसे मिलेंगे. So this is what your expenses, prepaid assurance that we are getting. And to insurance, to interest paid, this is also what your expenses. Whatever loan that you were taken on your loan, you are paying the amount of interest. So this is what your expenses, and will be recorded in your debit side of profit and loss account. To freight outward, to printing and stationery, to rent paid, to entertainment expenses, to postage and courier, to sales promotion expenses, to bad debt, to depreciation on machines, to carriage outwards, to repair and maintenance, to traveling expenses, to telephone expenses, to bank charges, to loss by fire. Look at that. Here the loss being incurred by fire, and this is what 3,500, it will be recorded in your debit side of profit and loss account. To loss on sale of furniture, and this is what your all expenses that is being recorded in your debit side of profit and loss account. And now let's proceed towards the credit side of profit and loss account. So here the item is gross profit. Gross profit that I have discussed right now, this is what your result of trading account. So this is what the balancing figure of trading account, and it will be automatically transferred to profit and loss account. So here that amount of gross profit, that is 2,62,500, that we have find out with the help of trading account, that will be transferred here in your credit side. And the discount received, this is what your type of income, and it will be recorded in your credit side of trading account. To interest received, this is also what your type of income, it will also recorded in your credit side of trading account, sorry, profit and loss account. By commission received, this is also what your income, and it will be recorded in your credit side of profit and loss account. So here the rent received is also what your income, miscellaneous income, gain on sale of machine, income from investments, and dividend received on shares. So these all are the part of income, and this is all indirect income, children, as I have told you in our earlier video also. So this is what your income, and it will be recorded in your credit side of trading, sorry, profit and loss account. So the sum of all credit side is 3,32,250, and here the total expenses will be less than total income. So the differences will be net profit transfer to capital account. So this is what the net result for which we prepare profit and loss account. So this is what our net result, or why we prepare the trading profit and loss account, to find out the amount of net profit. So this is what the net profit for which we prepare. So the net profit here for this question is 1,88,500. This is what your differences of total debit and credit side. So the differences is 1,88,500, and it will be automatically transferred where in your uh, capital account. That means it will be transferred to your balance sheet. So this is what your net result or net profit for which we prepare the profit and loss account. So I hope you all have understood the concept of profit and loss account that we have earlier discussed also, and right now I have discussed with the one question. So I hope it is clear to you all. And children, remember one thing in your mind, that profit and loss account being prepared for getting the amount of net profit. And one more thing, that it is what a type of nominal account, and whatever the nominal natures accounts like income and expenses only will be recorded here in profit and loss account, and all the expenses that is indirect one that will be recorded in your debit side of profit and loss account, and whatever the incomes that is indirect incomes that will be also being recorded in your profit and loss account. So I hope you will have understood the concept of profit and loss account. So that's all for the time being, and God bless you all.